What's up, you guys? Do you know what ube is? If you don't know, it's actually a starchy root, and it's popular in my home country, the Philippines. Ube is mainly used for desserts and is widely known for its deep purple color. So enough about that, let's go plant some ube. A few days ago, I let these slips dry out in the sun. If I had planted them directly after cutting them, then that would make them susceptible to bacterial or fungal infection. We definitely don't want that, so we dry them out in the sun for 2 to 3 days. Don't leave them out too long, cause then you risk completely drying out the slip and possibly killing your plant. As long as the cut side is dry to touch and feels kind of like a scab, then you're good. I like to prepare myself a mound of soil and compost. This provides the ube with loose fertile soil to grow in and spread their tubers. Then once it's time to harvest, the mound makes it easier to access your ube yams. Look at that beautiful color. These pieces have been drying in the sun for a couple days, and I didn't want to go any longer just in case. It definitely feels dry enough, and I think they're ready to be planted. Planting your ube is the easiest part of all this. I like to go just deep enough so that it maintains moisture and has somewhere for the roots to grow. I'm afraid that if you go too deep, you risk getting waterlogged and your tubers don't grow as big because of soil compaction. This is also another reason why I like to make mounds to plant the tubers in. Any water tends to run off instead of stagnate. Now that spring is here, it should take a few weeks for these to reestablish themselves, and hopefully in the near future, we will be seeing some new vines. You guys make sure you stay tuned. I have some exciting ube related videos coming up. I'll be making ube halaya with the tubers that I harvested and something else exciting. While doing research on ube, I found another way to propagate and I am so excited to try it out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.